Hey, it's Bill with Diamond Guard. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make, excuse me, is assuming that their insurance coverage covers everything, and it doesn't. First thing to think about is flood damage. Most standard policies do not cover flood damage. Um, in Texas, we've had a lot of building over the years. Floodplains have changed. You may need an additional flood coverage policy to cover any flood damage that you get. Check with your agent. Second is sewer backups. These happen more often than you think. You may have somebody put a baby wipe into the toilet, something that shouldn't be in the toilet. The city may be doing work outside of your home, flushing the sewers. That can all lead to a sewer backup. It is not pretty. So you want to make sure that you have that kind of coverage, and it typically requires an endorsement in addition to the standard policy. Third is wear and tear. Insurance is meant to cover sudden and accidental damage. It does not cover wear and tear. Things that should be routinely taken care of are not covered by insurance policies. Fourth is certain foundation and earth movements. In Texas, with the soil and the rain that we get and the heat that we get and the baking of the sun, pretty much anybody that's owned a house for more than 5 years has probably done some sort of foundation repair. The coverage varies, but typically insurance policies do not cover the normal damage caused by settling, the shifting oil, or earth movement. And finally, home business activities. It varies again by policy, but it may cover things like a personal computer and certain business equipment, but oftentimes things like the inventory, more significant business equipment, are not covered by an insurance policy. You need to get a commercial policy if you're running a business out of your home. The best time to understand your coverage is before you need it. So you know exactly what's covered, and you know, and you're not surprised at the end. It'll save you a lot of stress. Hope this helps. Have a great day.